Oh, what's that? Welcome to Corey Wolfenbarger's disposable camera video.
Dude, go back to New York. Yo, what's up guys? I'm here with my good buddy Willem Verbeeck. He flew down for the weekend from New York City, so I just brought him to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The leaves are turning and it's finally getting cold in Tennessee, so we're just running around with some Kodak disposable cameras today, trying to have some fun and show Willem around Tennessee.
I've shot a couple of these before, but I know this is Corey's first one. I brought these fresh from New York City, so you know we're going to be packing the heat today.
Hopefully. We don't know if these actually take good photos, but we're trying.
Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out how to load this camera, and I'm not really sure where the opening is. Corey won't tell me because I think he's trying to just get better photos, but I'll figure it out.
I read on a forum that the move for these is to get them drum scanned, so looking forward to like seeing these, man, like, yeah. And the drum scanner.
You really can get so much deeper.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard on a drum scanner, these just go off on the details, so pumped.
Yeah.
Feel the heat coming off this thing.
One-handed. What's good? What is good? Yeah, dude, you can't take my comp though. You think I'm about to shoot this basic comp? That's the most beautiful photo I've taken in my life. Oh, dude, so close. I'm teaching Corey the disposable basics. He's learning from the
Disposable master.
the disposable YouTube.
Shot was trash. Peace.
Are you ready?
How do you turn that flash on?
I don't know.
I'm trying to figure out how to turn the flash on so I can blast Willem back.
I think yours doesn't have one.
Yeah, right. As you can see in today's gear review, we have extensive features here on this camera. Everything you would ever need.
Bro, this was the lady on the side of the road. Corey, ready for the decisive moment? Did you get it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yo, this is how Willem photographs stuff literally. He'll be like, because he lives in New York and he doesn't like spend a lot of time in nature, I've seen him do this in Tennessee. He'll be like, yo, a rock.
What were you just making fun of?
Huh?
What were you making fun of?
Dude, I was talking about your artistic eye.
What was that?
How hard it kills, dude.
Disappointed. No, you didn't.
Straight up. Yeah, the dome is about to be going off.
You want to send it up? Out
Could you stop and take a shot?
About to pop off that disposable.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
You come here.
Maybe I should hit that with the big dog real quick, you think?
Yes.
Well, you know, if Drew says, okay, running out of Carhartt pockets here? Oh, psych! You thought he was, but he wasn't.
Okay.
I had some stuff that I can put in. Shit, dude. My hand is frozen to it.
So we've opened the disposables, so opening clip.